Morning everyone, it's Bill. How are you today? I built a deck out of this pine. I really wanted the deck to have a different contrast to the artwork behind it in the container. So I decided to use a technique called ebonizing. Ebonizing wood is using a solution of vinegar and steel wool. The steel wool will dissolve in the vinegar over the course of 3 to 5 days. You spray it on and quite an amazing thing happens. I sprayed it on, I turned it black, and now it looks considerably more like the space that it's filling.
Our deck at Zoo 2 is darker, not because it's been stained by anything. It's just your common household white vinegar and steel wool. The more we know about these chemical reactions or processes, which is not chemicals, it's nature, the more we can be empowered to beautify our spaces and to think about aesthetics without having to purchase anything that could be harmful to the environment, without purchasing anything that's unnatural.